Many individuals grapple with leg discomfort stemming from poor circulation and muscle weakness, often leading them to invest in costly treatments. However, emerging evidence suggests that superfoods may offer a more natural remedy for these prevalent issues. Research reveals that certain foods play a pivotal role in enhancing blood flow and fortifying veins. These superfoods boast distinctive properties capable of combating inflammation while promoting overall leg health, which is crucial for maintaining an active lifestyle. Numerous studies have demonstrated that vegetables abundant in natural nitrates and anthocyanins can significantly boost circulation and mitigate the risk of various leg-related ailments. By incorporating these foods into our daily diet, we can unlock substantial health benefits. The regular consumption of beetroot juice, or even raw beetroot, has been linked to a reduction in the occurrence of varicose veins and enhanced oxygenation in leg muscles. Therefore, integrating these superfoods into our diets could prove advantageous for vascular health. Additionally, ginger stands out as a natural anti-inflammatory agent that aids in thinning the blood, effectively preventing dangerous clots. By weaving ginger into our culinary repertoire, we can make substantial improvements to our blood circulation. Brazil nuts, which are rich in selenium, play an essential role in maintaining the elasticity and strength of blood vessels. The healthy fats found in these nuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels, consequently facilitating better blood flow throughout the body. Moreover, plant-based remedies such as horse chestnut provide effective solutions for circulatory issues, including varicose veins. This potent herb not only strengthens veins, but also enhances the return of blood to the heart, a crucial component of overall circulatory health. Similarly, gotu kola emerges as another beneficial plant, promoting microcirculation and reinforcing vein tissues. Regular use of this herb can alleviate that heavy, fatigued sensation often experienced in the legs. Ginkgo biloba is often highlighted for its remarkable ability to boost circulation, particularly in the legs and feet. Its consumption may yield reductions in cramps and improve the delivery of oxygen to muscles, further enhancing leg vitality. On a broader scale, it's important to recognize that prolonged sitting or standing in a singular position can severely impair leg circulation. Regular movement is essential for promoting blood flow back to the heart, thereby mitigating potential health risks. Additionally, the excessive sodium intake from processed foods is known to lead to fluid retention, which elevates pressure on blood vessels. A simple yet effective strategy is to replace salt with herbs and spices, a shift that can improve both the taste of meals and leg health. Equally important is hydration, as insufficient water intake has been shown to thicken the blood, thereby hindering circulation. It is advisable to aim for a minimum of 2 liters of water daily to sustain optimal blood flow and leg health. Furthermore, choosing comfortable clothing can significantly enhance circulation and alleviate discomfort. Opting for looser-fitting apparel encourages better blood flow and promotes overall leg health, an often overlooked aspect of health maintenance. A restorative elixir crafted from natural ingredients can act as a supportive agent for vein strength and circulation. This concoction harnesses ancient remedies, enhancing overall vitality and offering a holistic approach to health. Key ingredients such as beetroot and ginger each serve distinct health benefits. While beetroot notably improves blood circulation, ginger's qualities enhance blood flow and serve as a preventive measure against clots, offering a comprehensive health enhancement. Moreover, the selenium derived from Brazil nuts is critical for protecting veins and improving vascular elasticity. By incorporating these nutritious nuts into our diets, we can further enhance our overall leg health and well-being. Ultimately, a consistent commitment to these natural protocols can yield noticeable benefits within a matter of weeks. Individuals may experience reduced swelling and increased stamina in their legs, presenting a holistic solution to common circulatory issues. The video underscores the significance of recognizing the signals our bodies transmit and taking proactive measures towards natural healing. By sharing this information, we can extend support to others who are grappling with leg issues, fostering a community of awareness and healing.